Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to book sleeper train ticket fastest way. So, for this prerequisites are first add the master list or it is also called as passengers list in IRCTC account. After that, add amount to the IRCTC eWallet account. These two videos links I will provide in description of this video. After that, login into IRCTC account. So login into IRCTC account. So I will book from Narsapur to. So I will book Narsapuram to Secunderabad on August 19th. August 19th. Such trains. So this is the 7 p.m. train is available. August. So select book now. We are added right master list. So it is auto populated. See, just I selected. I am not entering any details. So next. It is auto selected only. Continue. Next, we need to enter the one captcha. Then payment screen will be appear. So now we need to enter this captcha. Continue. Then see we need to select IRCTC wallet, pay and book. Confirm. Yes, my ticket was booked. This is the this way to we can book the ticket.